All right, we are live.
Don't start in a second. Now I'm busy. Don't follow.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, in mine, so here's my app right here. In mine, I think the movie names are doubled because I think I may have seeded the database twice. But anyway, it doesn't do that on the Heroku version. It's only on my local version.
Okay. Awesome.
So anyway, it can sort by either the title or the release date.
Okay, so
but
now
I don't have the ascending and descending thing that you had just a second ago.
You don't have it?
Is that a part of the instructions for it, that if you click on it twice, it should be should go the other way?
Hold on, let me double. I think yes. I think they mentioned that. Let me go back to the instructions and read the.
Yeah, I'm looking at it. It says, I think, just for example, clicking. Okay, the list should just be reloaded but sorted in ascending order on that column. For example, clicking the release date column should display the list of movies with the earliest released movie first. Clicking the title header should list the movies alphabetically by title.
So just ascending?
Yeah, or that's all that's required anyway, it looks like.
Okay, that's fine. Well,
but that's cool though. That's a cool extra feature.
Yeah.
So,
couple hours.
So I was curious how you accomplished that, because I was able to do it. I'm not totally sure if the way I did it was the best way.
Let me see your code. Is that?
Yeah. So this is my index view over here, and this is my controller. And there's the index action right there.
Yeah. Well, like I said, I got it from this Railscast. Have you heard of Railscast?
No, is that a thing from the Rails community, or?
No, it's very famous website for Rails tutorials.
Oh, okay.
And he had a video explaining how to do ascending, descending for a table.
Okay.
And I had to do a little tweaking because it's to fit my app.
Right. I just wrote that down. I'll take a look at that one.
Yeah, I think the guy is Ryan something.
Yeah. Well, yeah. So basically, how I have it is, I have the index controller action and the index view, essentially just passing variables back and forth to say like whether it's being sorted or not, because the index view is setting up. Oh, sorry, the index controller action is setting up this sort by instance variable, which will then be able to be visible in here. And then when you click on the link, so like when you click on the link to movie title, when it follows this movie's path, it also passes in the sort by title, which will then be visible over here in the params hash. So they're just kind of like passing that back and forth to each other.
Yeah, makes sense. Actually, it is smart. You fully understand the instance variable and the sessions. That's what is this telling me. Okay.
Do you mind if I take a quick look at how you did it too? I'm curious to see.
Yeah, but don't give me credit.
Okay.
Like I said.
No, I'm curious to see that.
Well, it's a little bit complicated because it had descending. If it's only like sorting by ascending, it would be much easier. But you gotta do helper method. Like there is three I had to work on 3 files: the helpers method, application helper,
Oh, okay.
and he got this information. It's kind of, yeah. He's like, basically what he did is got this method sortable, and then he gave it the argument title from the table.
Okay.
So it go to the table and
I
sort,
see.
and it sorted like ascending and descending, and yeah, but it's a little bit more complicated. So
Yeah.
I don't know.
That's cool though, because that's like a reusable way of making sortable headings.
Yeah,
That's cool.
yeah.
Neato.
Okay.
All
Now,
right. So do you wanna work on yours this time for the checkbox part?
well, I really haven't done much. I just follow a little bit for the instructions, but
Yeah. Well, yeah.
yeah,
I mean, yeah.
yeah, we can.
Yeah. That's where I'm at too.
Okay. Well, let's go to the instructions here. Let's get
Do you
that.
wanna share your workstation with me so we can both type
Yeah,
on it?
yeah, absolutely.
Cool.
Do I forgot the last time to add the times to the link when I submitted the video,
Oh, okay.
and they didn't accept. They thought it wasn't like pair program. It's just like random link.
Uh,
So anyway, did you? How I don't know how to do the for the joint station. Do you add
oh,
me? I add you. What's
I think so. You can add me. What you can do is come up here to the top right where it says share.
oh,
Or
I
do
see.
you see that on yours? Yeah.
Uh huh. Okay, sounds good. Let's see here. Oh, where is it? Share? Oh,
Oh wait,
mine.
where is that? Or wait a minute.
Oh, here you are. This is you
Yeah,
actually
that's.
already. No.
I think that's just showing like which of your acquaintances are on right now. It's not necessarily on your workstation. That's weird. Do you see in my, take a look on my screen. Do you see up at the top right where it says share?
Yeah, I see it.
And
Okay.
you don't have that
Oh,
on
here
yours?
it is. Share.
Oh, okay.
Okay, invite. Let me go to
And
your
you can,
email.
so you can, my username is dking1286.
The King 1286. Workspace when added.
So hopefully I should get an email. Good, I'm getting an email. Here I come. All right.
Are you
All right,
in?
cool. Here we are. I'm in.
Okay, awesome.
And let's see, like I did last time, I'll make little notes over here of when we switch driving and navigating so we can have those times.
Okay, good.
So you wanna start off driving or navigating?
Yeah, I will start driving.
All right.
Let's see here.
And I guess I'll start navigating. Let me pull up the filter part. Okay.
Okay, so what we need to do is go to the index and add this little code they gave us in Haml
Yeah, this
for
it's
the
like
form.
yeah.
Okay, so we'll add it right here. It's gotta be, the thing with Haml is needs to be, the indenting is really important.
Yes.
So yesterday I messed up with a little bit and gave me this error. Okay, now it says we got this So far now it says we gotta have instance. Go ahead, sorry.
Yeah, I was gonna say, yeah, we have to set up this instance variable, basically, this all ratings thing, so that it comes from somewhere. So we'll have to set this in the controller action.
Yep.
And probably we'll want to, they suggest defining a class method of the model class
Yeah,
to generate that result.
This is what I did. Movie controller here. I set class method self.allRatings, and then I set this instance variable. But
let's see. We're in the. Wait, let me pull up the movie model as well. Oh, okay. Self all ratings. Oh, I think maybe instead of, because this right here, if we do this, that will set an instance variable of the model. But in order for it to be visible to the view, we need to set an instance variable of the controller.
Okay. No, this. Are you opening the model?
Yeah, I have both open right now.
No, you go to the controller.
Okay.
I forgot about that one. I tried there and didn't really do me any good. So.
Okay. Hang on a minute. Ah! Oh my gosh, I'm screwing up my view here. 1 second. Hold on a second. Okay. Controller. Model. That's not it. Oh, so you just commented it out?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I'm looking at both right now. So.
This one.
Oh, I see. So you've got self all ratings in the controller as well?
Yeah, so it can be visible to the views.
Yeah. I think maybe. I
What do you
think
think?
what they're suggesting is to do something like in the model helper method that you set up, like to have it be kind of like this, but instead of setting an instance variable, it can just return that array.
Okay, I see. But
So that,
then the form requires the instance variable.
right. So then over here, when we're in the, what is it, the show method in
Yeah.
the controller. Is that what, oh no, it's not show. It's index.
Index.
So in the index, then we'll also, that's where we'll need to set up the instance variable inside of our index controller action. So
Makes
we can
sense.
say something. So we can say something like at all ratings equals movie.allratings or something like that.
Makes sense. Okay. Yeah. Awesome. Yeah. This is actually doesn't mean anything. What was I thinking? This is actually we only can do methods within show index and when you create an update and edit. And then if we want to do the other methods, gotta be either private or the bottoms one.
Right. Or they have to be in the model class or something like that.
Yep.
Yeah, because
Okay.
I think what this would mean is that it's going to be looking for a route named self
Yep.
all ratings or something like that.
Yep. Exactly. Awesome. So let's work on that.
Okay.
So okay, that's that. Let's go to the controller now. An index. Okay. Let's see here. This uh, I should pass the array, right?
Yeah, so you can say movie dot all ratings to produce that array.
Movie dot all ratings. That which is the method we created.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, so should we run it, see if it works?
Yeah. I think at this point that should probably create the checkboxes.
Yeah. Okay, let's see what's going on with the bot. Okay, here they are. Do you see them?
Let me look at your screen over here. Oh, yes. Perfect.
Awesome. Okay, now, okay. It's not linked to the database yet, so we gotta work on that, right?
Is it, oh, you mean, oh yeah, to make it actually do
To
something with
make it, yeah,
checkboxes.
to get, but just the specific rating.
Right.
So, okay, now let's go back here. Now we gotta make this. Okay, we should get pass an argument params that has rating, right? To the. Let me go back to the form.
Oh, wait a minute. In which, oh, wait, get, oh, that's interesting. Oh, I see.
Yeah, gotta pass a hash of params, and we gotta do movie where instead of movie.all. Movie where BG equal to, I mean rating equal to BG or R or.
Yeah. Well, so would that be in here in this line?
Well,
I wonder if that can be chained, because order. Did you watch the lesson videos that went along with this week?
the lessons, yeah, I did.
There was this one thing that he said in there where when
Mhm.
you call a method on one of the models, like one of these things, like order or where or something like that,
Uh-huh.
then the database query doesn't actually get done until you try to actually get those things out and do things with them. And what that means is that you can actually chain those query methods. So like I'm wondering if you could say something like movie dot where rating equals R dot order sort column plus sort direction.
Okay, but now that's fine. But now the argument we pass it to where
Which argument?
the one that we pass to where method.
Oh, to the movie dot where.
Yeah, it should be a hash of params that.
Oh, I see this ratings tag
Yeah,
thing. Okay, I got you.
yeah. Okay, now.
So, oh, checkbox tag ratings, rating, submit tag, refresh. Yeah. So how do we pass that back to the controller?
Yeah.
Those ratings.
Let's
How
go
did
back.
we?
Sorry, go ahead.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I was gonna say there's something in here where they do something like that, where they pass. Oh, hang on, I have some notes
Okay.
about something like this
Okay.
that I took while I was watching the video. Mhm.
Are you recording? Okay,
Yeah, we're recording.
awesome.
I may not have taken a note on that specific thing, which was the wrong thing to do.
Well, let's read the instructions below this form
Yeah.
code.
hmm Oh, I see it. Yeah, so I think what's going to happen
Mm-hmm.
is that just by doing what you've done so far, so this thing right here where it says checkbox tag
Mm-hmm.
ratings rating,
Mm-hmm.
I believe that this string right here turns into the name attribute on that checkbox input tag, and the name attribute is what actually gets sent along with the form data. So the form data, when you submit this form, the form data automatically goes into params without us having to do anything.
So we just need to add where?
Yeah. So I think when we're over here in index, if we get like params rating or ratings, maybe? Yeah,
Go back to the
ratings.
table. Make sure you have the right thing. You gotta check with the table.
Oh, wait, I'm sorry. What over?
I think it's right. Go. This params, all the params. This is the table from the database. So let's go to the database and grab it. This params thing.
This params thing right there?
Yeah, this rating this is not just any argument. This is gotta be from the table, database table.
Oh, right. But before we get those things from the database table, we need
Mhm.
to get those things from the view to the controller.
Okay.
So the controller is kind of the mediator. Like the controller needs to know what we even want to select from the database.
Mm-hmm.
So therefore, the information goes from the view in the submitted form
Mm-hmm.
to the controller,
Okay.
and that's what this params hash is. This params hash is like info that came from the view to the controller.
Isn't from the database because it's usually when you pass these params. It gotta be from the database table. If you go back to the database, if you go to schema, just check schema, and the
Let's see. Oh,
yeah,
where is it? Is that in the DB folder?
yeah,
Okay.
check schema.
Okay. Yep.
This rating, so I think it's gotta be rating. This string rating, so you go grab from the rating.
Oh,
No?
I don't think so. I think that's a coincidence because this this name right here, rating,
Mm-hmm.
that's in the Haml file,
Mm-hmm.
that name just comes from this variable name.
Okay.
So this variable name could have been, mountain or something like that, and we just need to use that name here.
So you're saying that params it gotta be take info from the view and pass it to the controller?
Yes, and that's kind of I think that's what the purpose of this params hash is. It's like if there's any info that's being passed to the controller
Mm-hmm.
with the request that was sent from the client,
Mm-hmm.
that's what goes into that params hash.
Okay.
So I think, and by naming those checkbox tags in this consistent format,
Mm-hmm.
like the first one will be called ratings G and the second one will be called ratings PG, and
Mm-hmm.
so on.
Mm-hmm.
If they're named in that consistent way, then what Rails will do automatically, it kind of knows that all those things go together if we name it in that consistent way. And so it will stash those into a hash
Okay.
called ratings. So what'll happen over here, are you looking at the controller as well?
Yeah, I'm looking at your screen.
Yeah, so okay. So over here,
Mm-hmm.
where we have params ratings, this itself is a hash containing those different ratings. So that thing, params ratings, is something like, it'll be whichever ratings were checked, I believe.
Gotcha.
So it'll be like G1 PG1. Because I think when the checkbox, by default, I'm reading the instructions over here, and it looks like when one of the checkboxes is checked, that counts as a value of 1.
Okay, gotcha.
So therefore, so this is what it would be if they submitted the form with the G and the PG
Okay.
checkboxes checked.
Okay, makes sense.
So with that, I'll just put this. I'll put that in a comment so we remember to use it. Do you want to navigate for a little bit and I'll drive?
Yeah, go ahead. But just record the time, please.
Yep. Got it. Okay. So yeah. So where should we put this? Where?
Now, try chain it.
Okay. So do you want me to put it at the end or before the order?
That should be at the end.
At the end. Okay. So I'll do this. I'll make a little pretty.
Okay.
Where. And oops, how do I do that? I forget this. How do I do that? Isn't it like a string that you put inside there?
Like I said, I where and there you gotta pass the params and ratings.
Yeah.
But params, just params, and then brackets, open brackets.
Mm.
No, I think. Hold on. Let me do it here. I think. Well, okay. Now I think it should be params, and then ratings. Sorry. No?
Maybe. Hmm. I feel like we need to say where because params ratings is a hash. I feel like there's some kind of a query string that needs to be in there, like for example, if we just wanted to select the ones that were G rated.
Yeah.
I think it would need to look like something like this, where rating equals G, or something like that.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay, now.
Oops. So I guess we could go through. We could iterate through params ratings using each, and then like do a where.
Yeah, this is the tricky part. If we can't figure this out, everything else is kinda all in place.
I'm curious to know more about this query string right here, because if we could say, here would be great if we could say something like this, where rating is in params ratings. Because then it would like look at all the different elements in here and get all of the items from the database table whose rating is in that collection.
Hold on. Now, when we check the box,
Yeah.
we send that rating, like we check like PG13.
Uh-huh.
We should send that rating to where?
I believe it's to params ratings. So this thing, params ratings, will only contain the ratings that were actually checked by the user.
Yes. So we need, and the method where need to take that and sort, like order me those movies, show me those movies where their rating is equals such and such, right? So
Right.
why don't we use now, like if the checkbox will create an instance variable, right? The checkbox when we click it.
By itself, I don't think it will, and I think that'll be part of the challenge later. It's like in a later part of the homework where once you've checked it, it should stay checked, which I think by default it won't. But just by checking the checkbox by itself, I don't think that creates an instance variable.
But it should
I think
create something. Go back to the form.
Yeah, I think what it does is it creates an element it creates an item in this thing in params ratings.
Okay.
Because this thing, every checkbox has a name.
Uh-huh.
And when you submit the form,
I should get the name.
You should get the name.
Yeah, and pass it to the where method. Where method is a database. It go compare to the database and grab me whatever she finds.
Right.
Whatever it finds.
And then where does that? And then when you submit the form, where does that name go?
Yeah, this is my question. Should go to back to the controller.
Right, and I'm pretty sure where it, like, how does it get to the controller? I'm pretty sure how it gets to the controller is inside of this params thing. So this params is like the names and the data of the form fields that were filled in.
Yeah. But should be rating, params rating, and then we try it and we put it in where, and then say the params rating value now is PG or G, and then where will go to G and grab it from the database and list it.
Right.
Should we try that? What do you think? This is kind of tricky.
Yeah, it is. Let's see what happens if we do that. Let's see what happens.
Okay.
So you said you want to do something like where params, something like that.
Yeah. See what happens.
Okay. Let's see. Let's save it. And you want to run it, and we'll see.
Sure. Okay. Okay. It gave me. Okay. Give me an error. Let's try to do rating instead of ratings. Isn't that?
Okay.
Just
like that.
Just
well, yeah.
Experimenting. Okay. Now it's working. Okay. Let's hit on R and then refresh. See if it. Nope. It's not doing much.
What was the error that it gave before?
I get the I get the error. It says where params ratings, and then the okay, go back in ratings. What else? And let's check the error. Okay, now let's run this again. Okay, it says active model forbidden attribute error. See, I told you it's gotta be from the, because it came from the active model, right? From the database.
Yeah.
It gotta be rating matching the table. Don't you think? I don't know. I'm not.
I'm not sure. But it's not. Well, what if? Well, in that case, let's do this. In that case, what if we? Because I think the thing that needs to go inside this where method call right there.
Just the rating?
Well, not just the rating, but we need to say like what we're matching it to. So let me say something like where rating equals, and then we can do a string interpolation like that.
Okay. Oh, makes sense. Want me to run it?
Hang on, let me save it first. There we go.
Okay. Now we
statement invalid.
Uncategorized token. Select movies from movie rating params rating. Order by title ascending.
Oh, okay. So I guess it's not. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, silly me. So if we look back at the code, this string interpolation thing is only doable inside of a double quoted string.
Double quote, yeah.
So I should do this. There we go. Nope. 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 There. Okay.
Save.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. Okay, got it. Let's see. Do you need to well, where rating equals params rating? Yeah, see, I think it's getting nothing from params rating, or like it's getting nil or something like that. Do you see how it says where rating equals nothing?
Equal, okay. Okay.
So I'm actually curious. I'm going to pull up the Rails documentation and see if we can find some insight on this where method and see like what you can put into there in terms of query strings.
Okay.
So like Rails documentation, Rails model where query string. A silly search. Active record query interface. Okay, retrieving objects from a database. Where? Okay, so I want the where method. More than 100 matches. Okay. Client where first name. Put user where weekly subscriber true. Oh, so it doesn't have to be a string. Oh, so then
doesn't have to be string?
It looks like maybe, or because the way they're doing it in this documentation, they're not doing it as a string. They're doing it as like an actual Ruby expression.
Okay.
So then what if it's like where?
So I just added that. I was experimenting with it.
Yeah. So what if it's like, I think if we can we say something like where rating, or where rating, oh wait, let me see, look at that again. Oh, darn. So I think if we wanted to get the ones that were like G rated, I think that would work.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Yep. Did you save it?
No. Sure.
Okay, let's see. Oh, you got it.
Okay, so that's getting only the G-rated ones.
So
Now we
yeah.
want
Now instead of this, we need to pass rating. Just put rating is that the one that we grabbed from the from the tag checkbox.
I guess I think the thing that makes it a little bit more tricky as well is the fact that we wanted to have like multiple possible ratings. Because like if they check 2 checkboxes, then we need to be able to give it 2 values here to select from. So I'm wondering if there's like an or. I'm looking at the documentation again. I'm looking for or, like where rating is G or rating is PG or something like that. Okay. Or.
Well, how about we just check if this one works first, then we expand it.
Okay. Check if
like now rating is the key. We need the value. The value we grab it from the rating that we checked from the form.
Yeah, I guess that's my point. The problem is that might be multiple ratings. Like it might be multiple values.
Okay. Where it doesn't handle multiples?
Well, I mean, if
Maybe it
they
doesn't.
right, that's the thing. I don't think it does automatically. So that's what we have to think about. Because you could check multiple checkboxes. If they only checked 1 checkbox, then that wouldn't be a problem.
Mm-hmm.
But they checked multiple checkboxes, or they could check multiple checkboxes. So we need to do like a we need to be able to say like where rating is G or rating is PG or rating is R, or something like that.
What? Okay. Now,
Selecting specific fields. Limit and offset. Group. No. Too low. Where orders count. Hash conditions. Client where. Range and subset checking. Okay.
what is it?
Polymorphic relationships as well, where articles, author, author, article, where author. FileMark is using the in expression. Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I
So
think this is this is what we want. We want to have like we want to pass it an array. So Like if we wanted to select the, oops, there we go. If we wanted to get the ones where the rating was either G or PG, then it would need to look like this. Oops, I screwed up. I believe. So now all we got to do is we need to get the, so instead of like hard coding in the G and the PG here, we need to get the keys out of this params ratings hash.
Yes, that's what I intended. But my question is gonna be the key. Don't we get from this rating in the form? It passes to the params, and so if we put here rating the key and then the value or rating, and then we try that.
Like rating?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try it.
Okay. I did.
You wanna drive for a bit?
Yeah, sure. Okay. Now rating. Let's see. Okay. Now let's see. Nope, didn't work. It gotta be the params, maybe params rating. No.
Yeah. I think so.
What?
Params ratings. Yeah.
Ratings, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see.
That might do it.
Now, let's see. Where rating R equal 1 ordered by title ascending. From movies where rating that R equal 1. Let's see here.
I think, like, what if, I think params ratings is currently a hash. Like, it would be something, it would look something like this. Like, params ratings would look like this. Like G1, PG1, something like that. But I think what we want to do is we really want to pass something that looks just like this. Like just an array of just the ratings that were checked. So like getting rid of those ones that are attached to them. And I'm thinking that there might be a built-in Ruby method for doing, like a built-in hash method for doing that. Like maybe keys or like .keys or something like that. I'm going to look at the documentation really quick.
Okay.
Ruby hash keys. Hash, looking at the Ruby, here we go, I'm looking at the Ruby documentation for hash. And I'm thinking that there's probably a method called keys or something like that that will just get all the keys. Yes, that's what it does. So if you do .keys on a hash, it just returns an array of the keys. So if we were to do something like param ratings, params ratings .keys, that would give us something, just an array of.
Oh, yeah, it makes sense. Well, that's, yeah, absolutely. That's kinda, huh. You wanna try it? Oh, I'm driving, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Rating balance, ratings dot. should I put it in under a bracket before I do the keys?
Put it under where?
Under
Oh,
yeah,
maybe. Wouldn't
okay.
hurt.
Let's see now. Oh, now did we specify G? No, we did not.
Oh, did
Uh,
you reload the Rails server?
yeah, I reload it and it's just G showing.
Oh,
Let's try
clicking on it. Yeah.
refresh. Okay,
Whoops.
now let's see if we put R. Oh, it's sorting, but it's not showing the whole thing. Well, this is what we
Oh,
want. This, nay, actually,
yeah.
we done it.
I think the problem now is if none of them are checked, it should
Oh,
show all of them, right?
but the problem is if we go to the home page, it gives us an error.
I'm thinking that. Oh yeah, okay. So this is like if none of them are checked, we need to handle that case especially if none of them are checked. Because if none of them are checked, then params ratings is going to be nil,
Oh,
which
so
means
we should put this or.
yeah, or some kind of a, or maybe some kind of an if statement somewhere in there.
Yeah.
Just
Okay.
like uh, like an if movies or if params ratings nil or something like
You know
that.
what? It should be movies without movies equal movie order or uh-huh. Um, you know what? How about uh, movies instant like this? I'm not sure if that's let's see. Movies equal movie dot all unless I think this now will
Oh, so
no
unless params
unless
ratings.
yeah I think that's there is okay here's the thing
Hmm.
uh, remember in Ruby when you put this if this value null will if this value doesn't have any value we'll take this but if it does won't take it that's probably messes up.
Oh, I see.
Let's try that. I think that's maybe stupid. Maybe not.
I
Yeah,
think.
still
Oh,
not.
I see what you're saying. I think maybe this. I think maybe we don't want to do that to at movies, because at movies is not the thing that might be nil.
Yep.
I think we
Okay.
want to do params ratings.
But this is kind of a key in a value. So how we do that with it?
Well, mm,
You want to try the less thing?
which thing?
The
The unless
less?
thing? Yeah,
Yeah.
sure.
Okay. Let's try that. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Oh, not showing. Okay, no method error in the movies controller
I think
index. No
I think we
method
need to.
error.
Yeah.
You know what? Um, we gotta make a method, and then chain it with this movie thing,
What kind of a method?
like a method that do this the dirt work for wheres like where rating params rating dot keys that we
Oh,
can
that.
call where and then
I
uh,
see.
this method is you know gotta make a condition.
Oh, so are you thinking of putting another method in the
Model.
in the model?
Mhm.
Hmm.
I'm not sure though, so
Yeah.
okay.
Hmm.
Okay. Hold on a second. Let's check the update. Usually it gets some. Um, nope, not.
Um. I'm thinking.
Hold on. You know
Yeah.
what?
Hmm.
Oh, where? How about when we give where we give it all ratings and then or rating key and then I mean the key and the value this parameter, you know what I'm saying, like this,
Hmm.
like say what this is where takes a hash, right, or it takes a
I think there's a few different things that it can take,
okay,
but I'm
so
not.
it's all ratings, which is we already defined that as a array, right? Where did we define that?
All ratings. Oh, that was
In the
yeah, it's an
movie.
array. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's an array that's returned in
So,
it.
but that's a class method. Okay.
Hmm.
So that's okay. How about okay? There is something in Ruby called constant and can be called from anywhere.
Hmm.
So if we take this. Let me go back to the controller and here, like where is the index here? Let's say ratings. That's sorry, hold on. Rating equal and then give it to. You think that will work? Maybe then we put in where. Hold on.
I think.
No.
Well, I think we can. I mean, we could do that. I'm not
Yeah.
sure that because I mean, if we want that array,
Uh-huh.
we can always get that array by calling movie.allratings, like we did here.
Okay, yeah, that's works too. Just a second, down,
Yeah,
just
no,
a second.
yeah, no
Sorry, the
problem.
kid is by now.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay, let's go. Here, go.
We'll be right back, folks.
Yes, I'm sorry.
No problem.
Okay, so should we try it or should we just put movie or ratings? I don't think Google will take this. You think we'll take this instance variable?
You mean that constant right there?
Or the instance variable there? Yeah.
I think it'll. Oh, well. Oh, I mean. Oh, I meant you. We can always just call the model method all ratings. Like if we wanted to right there, we can put movie dot all ratings if we wanted to get the same array.
Should we try it?
Sure. Let's see what happens.
Okay. Let's see. Yep, it's not working.
Yeah, I think that that unless idea that you had before.
That's better.
Be good. Yeah.
But it didn't work.
Well, but I don't think we completed it though, because you just said like movie equals movie all unless
movie, and then should we put end?
Well, unless what though?
Unless movie equal movie dot order sort column sort direction. That the whole thing.
Well, but under what circumstances do we want to do?
Okay, gotcha. Yeah, I know what you mean.
Oh, you know?
What?
I think one way or another, I think we want to do this movie dot order sort column sort direction thing, regardless.
Oh yeah.
Don't we?
Yeah.
So in that case, could we say something like this, like movies equals movie dot order sort column blah blah blah. So like, yeah, like this thing. That. And then after that, because we want to do that regardless, we don't need to put an unless there. But then after that, we do something like if what was it? Params ratings? Because params ratings is going to be nil if none of the ratings were checked.
Oh yeah, makes sense. So if not params dot nil.
Oh yeah, so like if not params ratings dot nil, then we want to do Then that means we can take movies that already exist. So the movies is already the ordered list of movies, and we can do like equals movies dot, what is it, where, this whole thing.
Okay. Okay, yeah. Then and then let's comment this.
And then and yeah.
Okay, makes sense. Okay.
So yeah, let's comment it. We can say something like get ordered list of movies.
Mm-hmm.
And then for this one, it's like, how do we say that? If any of the parameters are, or if any of the checkboxes were checked, because that's kind of what we're checking. And
it is working.
It is?
Yeah, there's all. Do you see the screen? Let's try the. Oh, awesome. Let's see.
Yeah.
Let's try multiple. Awesome.
And what happens if you just refresh it again with them all blank?
Let's go to the.
No, just click the refresh button again.
Does that flash? No, it doesn't go to blank.
No.
Sure.
Try one. I mean, submission button.
You mean the home button, the index itself, right?
No, I mean don't type the URL in. I mean the actual button that's next to the checkboxes that says refresh.
Yeah, don't type it.
No, yeah, don't type the URL because I think that might have the parameters in it somehow.
Oh, it got all of them. Yeah, awesome. And you're still doing the sorting thing?
Yeah?
Yeah, it's, let's see here. Yeah, it is working.
Cool.
Awesome. Well, is that, should we do more, or this is good enough for today?
I'm good for today if you're good.
Yeah, I'm absolutely good. This kid is nagging me as hell.
Yeah, no problem.
So, okay, now, cool. Awesome. Thank you very much. Actually, I would have never done that far by myself. I mean, it will take me way longer. Okay.
I'll just comment this last thing. You're very welcome. It's a pleasure again.
Oh, same here. So, okay, just if you don't mind, I am a complete idiot when it comes to this Hangout Air thing.
Oh, I can.
Do the same thing.
Yeah, I can hit. Yep, I'll do the same thing.
And you want to finish maybe tomorrow, or?
I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to get on tomorrow.
Okay, whenever you are comfortable, just shoot me an email.
Sure. I'll probably be working on it later this evening.
Okay.
But I'll be kind of like on and off.
Okay. Yeah.
Maybe I don't know. What does Sunday look like for you?
Sunday, I do have the morning free until 2, but then I'll have to go to work.
The morning until 2.
Yeah, that means it's until 4 in your time. Oh,
yeah. Or no, the other way around.
No, the other way, until noon.
Okay. Yeah, I'll be around Sunday morning before noon.
Okay.
So we can definitely get on again and take it from here.
Okay. Yeah, this exchanging ideas are great.
Cool. Sounds good.
Awesome, man. Thank you much. I will talk to you hopefully on Sunday.
Yep. Have a good one.
You too. Bye.